In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use a circular saw. Whether corded or cordless, a circular saw is a powerful and versatile tool to have in your kit. Properly set up, it will cut quickly, cleanly and accurately into heavy timber, softwoods and MDF. Dust extraction is important, however, so make sure to hook up your circular saw to an adequate extraction source, such as an M-class dust extractor. Blade choice is also important. The size of the blade determines the overall depth of the cut, and the number of teeth the blade has determines the quality of the cut. More teeth on the blade means slower, finer cuts. Fewer teeth allow for faster, rougher cuts. Before making a cut, it's important to properly set up the depth of the cut. The teeth of the blade should be set to just below the bottom of the material. This ensures the blade cuts safely and efficiently. A circular saw will easily perform rip and cross cuts, and because the blade bevels, it will also make angled cuts. When choosing a circular saw, pay attention to the numbers. Larger diameter blades provide deeper cuts, and higher revolutions per minute allow for greater control over the cut. Your health and safety are essential, especially so when using a circular saw. Therefore, follow all the manufacturer's instructions on fitting blades, never force a cut, and always wear the required PPE.